Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by checking subscriptions and saving any necessary backups. This avoids losing purchases. Once done, sign out of your Apple ID in Settings. That disconnects region locks. Make sure you have a valid US billing address or an Apple ID balance from a US gift card. Without it, the switch can fail. If you use family sharing, note member purchases may change. This first step clears account links and prepares your device for the country change. You now change your country and account settings. Open Media and Purchases, tap View Account, then Country/Region and choose United States. Accept the terms and conditions to proceed. Next, enter a US billing address and either add a US card, use PayPal set to US, or redeem a US App Store gift card. The store validates payment regionally. If you get errors, make sure no subscriptions remain and your device is updated. These are common blockers during this middle step. You finish by restarting the device and signing back into your Apple ID. This refreshes the App Store locale. Verify the App Store now lists US apps and prices in dollars, and re-download any region-restricted apps you need. If the change didn't apply, check for remaining subscriptions, pending store credit, or family sharing conflicts. These commonly block region changes. If problems persist, contact Apple support and provide account.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.